I'm innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith.
Former FBI Director James Comey faces federal charges after a grand jury indictment. They include allegations of false statements and obstruction of a congressional proceeding. At issue is Comey's 2020 testimony before a Senate committee. In it, he repeats his denial of an accusation that he authorized an FBI media leak.
Who's telling the truth?
I can only speak to my testimony. I stand by what the testimony you summarized that I gave in May of 2017.
Some analysts say the case could be hard to prosecute. A source says Attorney General Pam Bondi had concerns about it, though she denies that. A 2018 DOJ Inspector General report says Comey's accuser, quote, lacked candor. The indictment has no signatures from any career DOJ prosecutors, just a new Trump appointee. It contains no other evidence and is a page and a half long.
When your producer handed it to me, I said, well, where's the indictment? I thought this was just a cover sheet. This is the whole thing.
President Donald Trump calls the indictment, quote, justice in America, after he publicly asked Bondi to pursue it.
Comey's a bad person. He's a sick person. I think he's a sick guy.
Some analysts say the indictment is revenge because Comey investigated Trump's 2016 campaign.
I'm not afraid. Vote like your beloved country depends upon it, which it does.
Prome Minister Benjamin Netanyahu ha presentado en la Asamblea General de Nacionnan Uni. Prome que Prome Minister Netanyahu ha comenzado con su discurso, varios delegación abandonar la sala. Prome Minister Netanyahu ha mostrado un mapa na onda e explica como a situação está atualmente com o líder de cada região, entre o líder de Yemen, Gaza e Lebanon.
Here's where things stand today. Half the Houthi leadership in Yemen, gone. Yahya Sinwar in Gaza, gone. Hassan Nasrallah in Lebanon, gone. The Assad regime in Syria, gone. Those militias in Iraq, well, they're still deterred. And their leaders, if they attack Israel, will also be gone. And for Iran's top military commanders and its top atomic bomb scientists, well, they're gone too.
Elaga atrás mensahe para rehenan na Gaza.
Our brave heroes. This is Prime Minister Netanyahu speaking to you live from the United Nations. We have not forgotten you, not even for a second. The people of Israel are with you. We will not falter and we will not rest until we bring all of you home.